So it's been about 10 years since I did a how to make fresh cheese or cash frisk video on YouTube. And that was like my first video on how to make anything. And since that time, I've learned so many different things. So I think it's time to update a little and to let you know exactly what's been going on. So I have been making cheese and trying different ways, using powdered rennet, using liquid rennet, and as well as using whole milk. And the latest is also using half and half. And this has come from people who just, my wonderful followers, and I have to thank all of you out there who kind of like said, you know, Maria, I do this instead of this and I get better results. So, and that's what we're all about. We're all about learning from each other and finding out a better way to do it. So I've made this quick video today that is going to be showing you how I used whole milk. I used actually hood milk, which is a local kind of milk, and using liquid rennet. And then in the past, I've always used my mom's old metal stainless steel molds. But when Bob and I were in the Azores not too long ago, my husband and I went into one of the stores and we found these cute little baskets. These, they're food grade plastics. And that's where they make their cheese. And the wonderful thing about that is that you can keep it in a container and the whey does not kind of fall off, and it's easier to kind of flip over. It's a different way of making it. Obviously you can still use your metal forms that we've always had before, but lately I was at a local Portuguese market and they were selling it there, and they're not that expensive. They were like, I don't know, like 50 some cents or 75 cents per basket. So they're out there, so you can find it. But I wanted to show you exactly how easy it was to make it. And in the end, I mean, you'll see how it is all in the end. But in the end, I'm just giving you a quick thing. This is what it's gonna be like. And then it's the fresh pimenta sauce to go over it. I'll have a link to see where you can buy it as well. But fresh cheese, made a little differently with liquid rennet. Very easy. Enjoy. Today I'm going to teach you to make some fresh cheese using whole milk. Half a gallon, get it up to 95 degrees, add 30 drops of liquid rennet. Once again, you're going to whisk it, and then you're going to add some salt, and whisk it again. And then you're going to just cover it up and leave it off to the side up to 2 hours. Once that's done, I take a knife, I cut it into quarters, and I see how the curds have all come together really nicely. And then with a slotted spoon, I add them to these wonderful cheese molds that I just found when I was in San Miguel. You're going to refrigerate it overnight, and then the next day, you're going to check out the consistency of it. I like it after 1 day or two. This is after 2 days, and this is how it looks. Take it over, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? And then you add the spicy hot pepper. Delicious.